Hi guys, I'm here in New York at the Whitby Hotel. Warner Brothers flew me down to see a private screening, not the premiere, but still very cool, of Ocean's 8, which I am so excited to see. So I'm feeling very extra right now. This is what I'm wearing right here. I'll show you guys after. But I thought I would do a get ready with me. I'm gonna use the Matrixel from The Ordinary just as a base. So I'm here for literally 24 hours. I flew in early this morning and I got to the airport so early that I ended up getting on another flight, like an earlier flight. I was so nervous about being late. I missed 2 flights in my life and never again. Then I'm gonna use this Ole Henriksen Banana Bright Eye Cream, or Ole Henriksen. I'm gonna use the Tom Ford Waterproof Foundation. So I'm using 5.5 Bisque. And I'm just using this for a little bit extra coverage in case there's photos, and because I have no idea how long I'll be out for. So we have this screening coming up at 5. After that, there's a cocktail party, I guess, at the Cartier store, I'm guessing. I don't know. I have so little information. And then who knows after? Who knows where the evening will take us, or me. I actually don't know anybody else here. I don't know who else is here, so I have to get out of my comfort zone and be nice to people. Just kidding, try and make some friends. I saw Violette, who's a YouTuber and a makeup artist and the Estee Lauder creative director. She like put on foundation and then she wiped off kind of where your natural skin should come through. So like your nose, even though I have a spot on my nose, so it looks a bit more natural. I'm gonna use my Tom Ford. I'm sorry that I'm using Tom Ford. It's such good makeup though. Like I know it's insanely expensive and I kind of only use the foundation for special occasions. I think I'm gonna do like a bit of a soft smoky eye. I'm not exactly sure yet. Oops, I forgot to use this primer. Oh well. I brought 2 palettes. I brought the Charlotte Tilbury Transformize, and this NARS Erdem palette, if I can open it. Fleur Fatale. First I'm gonna go in with this NARS color right here. It's called Daydream. I used this in an Instagram video that I did when I tried out the line when I first got it. It really has like a wet look, which is cool. And then I guess I'll go in with this one, this kind of like purpley one. Oh, that's a bit more pigmented than I wanted. That is what Q-tips are for. These Q-tips are really small, so they're actually not great. I kind of have no idea how dressed up or not dressed up people are gonna be. So I'm trying to kind of like be somewhere in the middle. I mean, it is New York, so people are gonna be fairly dressed up is my guess. I'm just going over it with the brown in the Charlotte Tilbury palette. I don't know. I always like to have a slight wing on my shadow, so I clean it up with a Q-tip. I'm gonna try this Nude by Nature eyeliner in black, just like right along the lash line. Curl my lashes. I'm just gonna use this NARS Soft Matte Concealer. Use that around my nose too. And then I'll set everything with my Charlotte Tilbury powder, my setting powder. and then I'll do the bottom shadow. I'm gonna take a little bit of the brown from the Charlotte Tilbury and the kind of taupey color from NARS and put that along the bottom. And then just make sure that this is nicely blended. Okay, and then I'm gonna do mascara. This is Charlotte Tilbury Legendary Lashes. I always, always, always get mascara in my eyeshadow. It's so annoying. Just wipe it off with a Q-tip and then take your brush and blend. Oh my God, it's so hot in here. Okay, next I'm gonna do brows. I'm just gonna set mine with the Charlotte Tilbury Legendary Brows. Brush them straight up. So I'm only here for 24 hours like I mentioned, but I'm already like planning out my morning before I fly out so that I can get in maximum shopping. I wanna hit Reformation, and then there's a lot of really good sales on right now. Okay, I'm gonna use this Mary Luminizer highlighter, and I'm gonna mix it with the bronzer just a little bit because it's slightly lighter than I would like. And then I'll just kind of put it on the back of my hand and just do that. Ooh. And then I'll put a little bit on my inner corner just to look really awake. I thought I was gonna nap today, and then I was like, no, I'm only in New York for so long, so I gotta take advantage. Then my absolute new favorite blush color, Nude by Nature. It's in the color 03 Desert Rose. It's kind of like a peachy nudie pink. It's quite pigmented though, so tap. It's so pretty. I'm gonna get dressed before I put my lipstick on because I haven't decided what color. Probably something like nudie brownie as per usual. It's so boring that I do like all the same tutorials. I had my girlfriend over for the long weekend last weekend because Andrew went away for his bachelor party, and we were just like hanging out. We were trying on my wedding dress, which was really nice just because my family and my really close friends don't live in Toronto, so I haven't really been able to like do all that much wedding stuff with them. And then we started like playing around with makeup, and I pulled out my like Tom Ford like crazy mascara, like blue, green, purple, and I was like, I really need to start just being a bit more adventurous. So I'm definitely gonna do like a creative tutorial for sure. So I'm just gonna dry my hair and get changed, and then I'm gonna figure out what I'm gonna do with my hair. I'm probably gonna wear it in like a messy low ponytail or something. Why is it that these really nice hotels have these completely shit old hair dryers? Everybody should get Dysons. Okay, so I think I'm gonna do a messy low ponytail because I'm wearing some earrings too, and then my dress is one shoulder. I'll just do some curls and then pull it back. I do have a full tutorial on my beachy waves if you guys are interested. I'm excited to show you my dress. It's on loan from my wonderful friends at Shopbop. I kind of think I might buy another one for myself because it's like a cocktail dress, but it can be dressed up or down slightly, and it's really flattering, and it's black, and yeah, I'll show you guys, but I love it. I'll use my 3/4 inch curling iron. I guess I'll just do my basic curls, beachy waves, and then I can pull it back. For those of you who don't know, Andrew and I lived in New York for 4 or 5 weeks last fall, and we just like fell in love with it, obviously, but every time I watch Gossip Girl or Sex and the City, I'm like, oh, I miss New York. But it's really nice to be back. I also just love staying in hotels, and I always get room service in bed because I'm not allowed to eat anything in bed at home, which I guess is fair, but it's funny. I really like my makeup. Looks like I have devil horns. Okay, and then I'll just shake it out. I'm just gonna set my makeup Urban Decay De-Slick and then put my dress on, and then I'll see what everything looks like. Okay, this is me. I think I'm gonna leave my hair down and then just bring my elastic with me in case I wanna just throw it back, because it'll probably fall out and get gross. Let me show you the dress. And then these are the shoes that I'm wearing. I think a lot of you are gonna be like, what? These are the Stuart Weitzman mules that I have been putting off buying for so long. I realized I forgot to put lipstick on. I'm gonna use this Nude Sticks matte lip color in Go Girl. It's kind of like a brownie, nudie, orangey color. You can kind of see the dress better here. And then I'm wearing these earrings. These are also from Shop Up. I'll have to check the designer name, but there are these like resin earrings. They're really cool. The only thing about this dress is that I wish it had pockets. Otherwise, it's perfect. It's really comfortable. Fits really well. So, wish me luck. And thanks for watching. Bye.